Hi, this is the unboxing of SR Nitro. She is gaming monitor. Already I opened this and now the lifting of the box. So there you can help me. Okay, this is unboxing from wrapping. What I have got first, there is one cable. One type of cable, maybe DP cable or something else, as mentioned in the box. One, then cutting out. Okay.
Use it, right?
Use it. Oh, I think 5 to 7 maybe. Okay. Oh, camera করে দিও। I have got, this is maybe stand, huh? This is stand.
Yeah.
This is stand. This is also other stand part, main
It seems like dumbbell.
dumbbell.
With this we can fight with each other.
These are 4 screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 2 cable. This is HDMI cable, and this is another maybe.
This one is which?
DP. This
Maybe I don't know.
is DP cable, maybe. This is to book manual maybe, or specification of something else.
Okay.
And this is the
Power cord.
power cord.
But where is the power adapter?
Okay.
Maybe inside?
Okay, I will search.
Oh, you have ordered curved display.
Yes,
Wow.
this is card, one of my
Wow, the color is white. It seems like it's the
like Apple.
Yeah, Apple.
Like Apple.
Wow.
Okay.
So
These are the option HDMI to HDMI1, DP2, DP1. Okay. But this is power cable option. But how? I will. This is 3 pin. This is round shape.
that
That
means,
means
in the box no power adapter.
No adapter.
Yes.
This is the power
I
source.
think it's somehow it is missed.
I think
If you
this is
contact
missed.
with the seller, I think they will provide.
Okay.
I think
will-
it somehow it on the at the time of packaging it was missed.
Yes, I think this is missed, so I will knock the seller.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think you can just
Assemble.
yeah, you can assemble.
Maybe this item first.
Yeah, because
Okay.
people will learn how to assemble these. Yeah.
And this is two part,
Oh,
and there are
okay.
two hole here, and there is option like this. So
Oh. Wow.
I think got okay. And then the leg will be here. This is okay. I think. I think the display is okay for RAM, but
Oh.
this is okay.
But due to the lack of power adapter, we cannot run this.
We cannot RAM. Even we cannot check
Whether it's okay or
whether
not.
the word is okay or not. Thank you. Now we are going to inform our seller there is a lack of power adapter. Then when we got this, then again we will come for the second video to show this performance. Thank you.